just got a comment from one of our subscribers asking to show cooking videos, and Denise, my sister-in-law, does most of the cooking these days, so it'll be her cooking, and I just wanted to show you what she made tonight. Look at that. Doesn't that look so yummy? So yeah, we're about to eat, and your comment has been noted. So when my brother eats, he always has to eat with a plate because he says that it airs out his food better. And we like to use poles. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. We are shopping for her shoes or sandals for TOLO. But that style is cute, right?
Yeah, I really like this one.
Okay, so we're trying to see if she can walk nicely. Oh my god. Wait, walk that way. Like on the regular floor. Walk back and forth so I can see. Can you walk normal, please? Do you think you can last in that all night? Okay, turn to the side. Yeah.
Aspiring model.
It's actually cute from the side. And I think with your dress on, it'll look cute. Okay. I like the style of it, and they're too big. But I don't like that they're super shiny. I think like a matte. So we're at our second spot, Penny's.
I'm an aspiring model, so get my line. Any model agencies? No, I'm just kidding.
Famous footwear. I forgot about this store.
I can't get this out.
Why? Your ring is cute. Your necklace is cute.
It's like, stop.
Look at you accessorizing. Ooh. Oh my goodness. So, do you like it?
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, they're okay.
Yeah, I think it's just okay.
They're alright.
Cider.
Turn sideways. Those are kind of cute. She just takes up the whole aisle when she tries on. Yeah, those are my favorite so far.
Oh, yeah.
Feels better?
Yeah. What do you think?
I think they're cute. Can you walk in them though?
Of course.
Of course. Go walk. Practice walking. Okay, walk back. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, those are my fave. They're cute. I'm glad I found them.
Yes, thank you.
What are you gonna do to your toes? Are you gonna paint it?
Yeah, for sure.
Cute though.
Yeah.
DSW for the win. And Haylee didn't even want to come here.
I was hesitant about this place. But we found it.
Yay! I would show more food. So this is baked mac, garlic bread. That's why Rondo's hovering. Yeah, Rondo, where are you? Come here. Here you are. You was trying to eat this crumb, yeah? Oh, and you did it again. Oh, and you did it again. Oh, and you did it again. Oh my goodness. Excuse me.
What you doing? What are you doing?
It's really cold. You hurt your hand. Just serviced the truck. It's a very like gloomy day and it's super duper cold. Yeah, so just got my routine service done. They gave us free drinks and we both got like frozen cold things on this cold day. Not the smartest thing, so we're kind of cold right now, but everything's good with the truck, so we're gonna head to Walmart now. Are you good with that?
Yeah.
Okay. This one is boar too, see, look, but it's so much softer, like the bristles are softer. Just got home from work. Oh, light with the font light. We're on our way to, light on your face. We're on our way to Volleyball Tourney. Okay, bye babe, have a good day. Bye. Love you.
Bye.
Sleep good.
Thank you.
And here we are at the Kingston Ferry. Hey, we're not on the ferry, but we're in line for the ferry. Look at how beautiful it is, you guys. There's the Kingston Ferry. The sun is starting to come up. Are you awake?
Oh,
ready
a little
for the
bit,
tourney?
yeah. I wouldn't want to go take a nap in the car.
We're gonna leave in about 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I just wanted to show you guys the sky before the sun rises. So pretty. Heading on to the ferry.
Destination. The route guidance is now finished.
Don't mind my shaky hands.
Lights out, please.
It's a beautiful morning.
Oh, great commentary.
Thanks.
Sean shirt getting
Oh, it does look really pretty over there, though. It's beautiful.
She was really not a man. Not something. I was fucking high.
Thank you, camera.
It's fucking
You're
high.
welcome.
Doesn't he say fucking high?
In one version, and then in the clean version, he says flying high. Yeah. It's so cold. Okay, we're trying to find the entrance that's open, but I don't think it is because I see those people walking away. Oh, look. Let's see if they're able to get in. We're probably too early. They probably open in like 10 minutes. Should we just go wait in the car? Are you super cold? Run. Go take a jog. Oh, let's go. I guess we gotta check this way. Let's go. Faster, faster. This is what we get for being too early. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so cold. Gymnasium? It's probably locked. 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 Probably. Hey, good morning. Today. Love you. He is reffing the first game. We went to go find a breakfast place, but there's no parking. There was only street parking, so we had to park in like the residential area. So we're walking to the place now. Sissy just found it on Yelp. I think, or online. And there's the sign. It's called Pete's Egg Nest. And this is the place right here. Here's our food. I got pork chops. Jay got the same. Sissy got steak. Bacon on the side. Pancake is gone. Oh, look at that. Nom, 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 nom. If we ever come here again, this bacon though, so good. Okay, we're at the tourney. They're warming up, getting ready to start. So Sissy is breaking the rules right now. Well, technically me too. We went to go find vending machines and we hit the jackpot because one of the guys let us in and showed us this, which is supposed to be closed and off limits right now. So yeah, so many options. Where to begin? Oh, there's ice cream. Look, right there on the bottom. Oh, there's Twix. There's the M&M. There's the regular cookie sandwiches down there. Oh, child. How do you pay?
There's a thing over there.
Oh yeah, let's do this. Oh, there's coffee.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, decisions. We'll let you guys know what we decide on. Okay guys, Vending Machine Haul. Starbucks. Dr. Pepper for Jeremy. Dasani. M&M's. Tillamook. Teriyaki beef sticks.
What else you got?
Post-tournament ritual. We're at Kona Kitchen. Oh, they do? Here with the Bam Bam. Ride the Kona wheel. Kona cow served all day. So we're gonna choose our food and I'll show you guys what we end up making. It looks good. This is kabi, of course, with mac salad and rice, Hawaiian style. And this is mochiko chicken, Portuguese sausage, terry beef, and I guess lumpia with rice and mac salad. Waiting on their food. Oh, we should have asked her about your beef stew.
She's coming. She's bringing it. She said we'll bring you the rest.
Okay, so here's Jay's. He got mochiko chicken. And then Sissy got beef stew.
What the heck?
Yummy. Haley's texting Mama Luz.
I'm trying to search it up, but it keeps coming up to Kahoot.
Okay, we're in the ferry using the bathroom, and I am stuck in the squat position because I have no freaking toilet paper. Good thing Sissy's with me. So I had to wait until, thank you. I had to wait until she was done, and my legs are burning and I'm shaking. But now I can wipe. That be burning. Thankfully, Sissy was with me. Ooh, windy. Oh my god, it's cold. Holy moly. Look at how empty the ferry is right now. No cars, just cars down the stairs. Oh my god, it's cold. Okay. Back home on the ferry. Well, we're back on our side now. Okay, guys. home from the volleyball tournament and I am so tired. I really hope you guys enjoyed following us around and coming along with us. Even though the girls kind of had a challenging day as far as like winning their matches and stuff, there were a lot of great moments that we have to be thankful for, and I'm really just grateful that we have events that we can go to support Haylee, and that she has these activities that she loves and we get to spend quality time together. And yeah, I'm just really thankful for simple moments like these. So that's my gratitude moment. I encourage you to share your gratitude moment or something you're grateful for down in the comments below so that we can help keep each other in an attitude of gratitude. Okay, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right.